Celebrate my 1 year layoff aversary with me. I didn't see it coming. I got called to a meeting on a Monday morning and I got laid off. I was in shock. It's painful. It's a loss. But I left my office. I went to my husband and I said, I know what I'm going to do with the rest of my life. Because days before he had said, wouldn't it be great if you could take everything you know as a social worker and now as a caregiver wife and help other people? And that is what we have been doing from that day forward. I know layoffs are hard because look, without the layoff, I would not be here today. So, to everyone who has supported Healthcare Survival Kit, I say thank you, and we are deeply honored that you have selected us to walk beside you. Whether it's a complex discharge plan, a free download, a free consult, or you've purchased a service, we are so thankful to you. And here's to another year of Healthcare Survival Kit growing and thriving. Thanks.